Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race, and I'm gonna show you how to set or set up the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the control panel on our watch. And to open the control panel, we need to wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons. Then we need to press the lower button to open the control panel. And now you can scroll through the panel and look for the alarm icon. Usually it's at the top. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have the option called new alarm. So we can tap on it to set up a new alarm. And here we have the option called repeat, and this option allows you to select on which days the alarm should repeat, and we have once. If you select this option, it will go off once and it won't repeat. Next we have the weekdays. If you select this option, the alarm will repeat on every weekday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And if you select daily, it will also include the weekends, so it will repeat every day. Select the option you like, then set the hour on which the alarm should go off, and we can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. And then you can swipe left to continue, and the alarm should be added. And here we have it. You can also have multiple alarms, so we can tap on another one once. Swipe left. Here we have it. You can also edit the alarms by tapping on one, and here we can turn it on or off. You can change the time if you like to. You can change the repeat option. And of course you can remove the alarm if you don't want to have it anymore. So you can tap on delete to remove it. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set or set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.